What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking.
Mac and cheese. Just saying it makes you hungry, right? It's creamy, cheesy, and oh so comforting. Everyone loves a good mac and cheese. This recipe is super easy to follow. You'll be a mac and cheese master in no time. Get ready for a delicious adventure in your kitchen. Let's make some magic. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need macaroni pasta, any shape you like, butter, flour, milk, shredded cheddar cheese, or your favorite cheese, salt, and pepper. That's it. Simple ingredients for a delicious meal. First, we'll cook our macaroni. This is the foundation of our dish, so let's make sure we do it right. Grab a big pot and fill it with water. Make sure you have enough water to cover all the pasta. Add a pinch of salt. This will help to enhance the flavor of the macaroni as it cooks. The salt will season the pasta, making it more flavorful and delicious. Turn on the heat and let the water boil. It will bubble excitedly, indicating it's ready for the pasta. Now add your macaroni to the boiling water. Stir it gently to ensure even cooking. We don't want the macaroni to stick together. Stirring helps to keep the pieces separate. Cook it according to the package directions. This usually takes about 8-10 minutes. It should be nice and tender. Test a piece to make sure it's cooked to your liking before draining. Section 4, the creamy cheese sauce secret. This is the ultimate guide to making a delicious creamy cheese sauce that will elevate any dish. While the macaroni is cooking, let's get started on the star of the show, our cheese sauce. Let's make our cheese sauce. It's the best part. Grab another pot and place it on the stove. Melt some butter over low heat. This will be the foundation of our sauce. Add the flour and whisk it together. This is our roux, the thickening agent that will give our sauce its body. The base of our sauce is now ready. It should be smooth and free of lumps. Slowly pour in the milk while whisking continuously. This ensures a smooth consistency. Keep whisking until the sauce thickens. This might take a few minutes, but patience is key. Now for the best part. It's time to add the cheese. Reduce the heat to low and add your shredded cheese. This will prevent the cheese from burning. Stir until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Enjoy your perfect cheese sauce. Section 5, bringing it all together. Our macaroni should be cooked by now. Drain it well. Now pour the creamy cheese sauce over the cooked macaroni. Stir it all together until the macaroni is coated in that cheesy goodness. Section 6, crunchy topping surprise, optional. Want to make your mac and cheese extra special? Sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top. You can even add some grated Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. Pop it in the oven for a few minutes until the topping is golden brown and bubbly. Section 7, time to enjoy. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Your ultimate creamy mac and cheese is ready. Look at that golden crust and the creamy cheesy goodness inside. Serve it hot and enjoy the cheesy goodness. Each bite is a perfect blend of flavors and textures. You can add a sprinkle of parsley on top for a touch of color. It not only looks beautiful, but also adds a fresh hint of flavor. This recipe is perfect for any occasion. Whether it's a family dinner, a festive gathering, or a casual get-together with friends. Give it a try and impress your friends and family with your amazing cooking skills. Enjoy every moment and savor the deliciousness.
Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.